Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of subtitles on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Netflix. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.